Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Runaway Bay, which is in St. Anne, Jamaica, on the north coast of Jamaica. And we are looking at the largest hotel in Jamaica, the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica. Now this is a Spanish hotel and it is the largest hotel in Jamaica. I think it's 1,300 or 1,350 rooms. And they are going to be expanding. The largest hotel in Jamaica is expanding. They're going to be spending 1.4 billion US dollars to build two more hotels, not one, two more hotels in St. Anne. Now, the tourism industry in Jamaica is booming. As they build the hotels, people are coming. Jamaica is expected to have 5 million tourists coming this year. Just tourists this year. And Jamaica currently has 30,000 hotel rooms, and it's going to go to 50,000 with the ones that are under construction. So right now, the only thing that's holding back the tourism industry in Jamaica is flights. Every week you hear about a new airline flying into Montego Bay or a new route coming to Montego Bay, planes flying from a new city to Montego Bay. Can you imagine if Jamaica had another international airport on the north coast, somewhere say Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, Draxall, Ocho Rios, even somewhere in Aracabessa? Now, when I say another international airport, one that has a runway of at least 3,000 meters that can land the big planes. The Ian Fleming International Airport is registered as an international airport, but its runway, I think, is 1,200 meters. It cannot land the big planes. So, the only thing that's holding back the tourism industry in Jamaica is flights. But as we get more flights, the industry will definitely pick up because Jamaica is the hottest destination in the Caribbean right now. Okay, we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on the building of the two new hotels in Runaway Bay. More than 14,000 temporary and long-term jobs are expected to be generated from the planned multifaceted resort development in St. Anne by Spanish hotel chain the Pinero Group, which owns the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett, who met with the group's principals in Madrid, Spain, to discuss the project, said it will mean more economic and social benefits for the country at the community level. Details of the development were formally presented to Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness last year. It will provide a mix of hotel rooms and villas, a professional PGA Association certified 18-hole golf course, a state-of-the-art fisherman's village, farms, modern employee residences, educational facilities, among other facilities and amenities. It will be a game changer for Jamaica's tourism and help us to be prepared for the influx of visitors expected to the island. It also shows the confidence that our hotel partners have in the destination and is very much in line with our plans for an additional 10,000 hotel rooms over the course of the next 5 years, Minister Bartlett said. He commended the Pinero Group for their long-standing commitment to Jamaica, noting that the Bahia Principe, located in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, is Jamaica's largest hotel with 1,350 rooms. He said the group is always seeking to expand and to invest in the communities in which they operate. The meeting included Chief Executive Officer of the Pinero Group, Encarna Pinero, Chairman of the Jamaica Tourist Board, John Lynch, Senior Advisor and Strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delana Seavright, and Public Relations and Communications Manager, JTB, Fiona Fennell. Minister Bartlett, he said, what we're seeing here is an electric atmosphere, which is pretty much in line with the organizer's assessment that it reflects the growth experienced in recent months by the national and international tourism industry and lays the foundation for the consolidation of the sector during 2024, he further stated. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. I think this is a very good move and it speaks volumes about the tourism industry in Jamaica. The largest hotel in Jamaica, the owners want to build 2 more hotels in Jamaica. $1.5 billion US investment. I have not heard of any other country in the Caribbean that has the level of investment in its tourism industry like what Jamaica has right now. And actually, Jamaica has won so many awards for tourism. Caribbean Destination of the Year, so many of them. We will do a separate video on all the awards they have won. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.